Hi everyone, my name is Katie McCarville and I am a fourth grade English language arts and social studies teacher at Philippi Shores in Sarasota, Florida. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my personal and professional information, giving a little background on myself, talking about a memorable issue with gifted learners, and finally my most favorite aspect and least favorite aspect of engaging gifted learners. So to start, I graduated from the University of Florida with my undergraduate degree and my master's degree. Go Gators! I'm a huge Gator fan, and I'm still working on getting used to calling myself a Bulldog. I began working at Philippi Shores in 2015 as a fourth grade ELA and social studies teacher in a general education classroom. I was in that position for 2 years. And then after I received my gifted endorsement, I moved into teaching English language arts and social studies to the two advanced gifted fourth grade classes this past year, and I loved it. A memorable issue with gifted learners that I have is their need for perfection. I found that a lot of students who came to me last year had experienced academic success and were very used to receiving A's and hearing how smart they were and how great they were. And they are smart and they are great, but they haven't really learned how to struggle. So when they do have to dig deeper and they're being pushed further than they've been pushed before and they have that struggle, they don't really know how to cope with it. So I spent a good amount of time working with multiple students on developing coping strategies to deal with that failure and to learn how to bounce back from those struggles. My most favorite aspect of working with gifted learners is their hunger for information and their curiosity. I had so many questions this past year from students wanting to know more about a certain topic, and it just made my heart so happy. They were able to do inquiries on the questions that they had, do research and find information. And then not only was it beneficial for that student, but they were able to bring all of that information and learning back to my class, and the entire class was able to learn something from the discoveries of their peers. My least favorite aspect of engaging gifted learners is their need to finish assignments as quickly as they possibly can. I found that my students often like to make it a race to see who can get done first, or they just want to finish as quickly as possible so they can move on to the next task. And as a result of their case, their assignments may not meet my expectations, and they're not always representative of the quality of work that that student is actually capable of producing. This is something I worked on with my class this past year, but it's also something that I would like to get better at as a teacher to better assist my students in providing quality work as often as possible.